In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut on PC. So go ahead and go to Import and select the video you want to use, and then go to Open, and it should add to your project here. Now what you want to do is select your project by left-clicking and then drag it onto your video timeline. Now I already have a video here, so what I'm going to be doing is selecting the video by left-clicking on it. Then you want to right-click and go to edit, and this is where you'll see reverse. Now, the longer the clip, the longer it's going to take to render, but you get some very interesting results when you reverse the video. So I'm going to play it now so you can hear it. As you can see, it sounds very strange. If I revert it back and then play it again, this is what it sounded like before. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you all. So that's how you reverse a video in CapCut on PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.